Hey guys, this is Miss Sharma from Pacific Elementary School, and today we're gonna make slime. So you're gonna need glue, baking soda. I'm using contact solution, but you could also use borax. And then I have glitter. And make sure your parents are okay with you using glitter because it could get a little messy sometimes. Now there are many different slime activators that you could use, but contact solution is my favorite because it's less messy. And they do have saline solutions if you wanted to use that, but just make sure they contain borax and saline because the borax is actually like the ingredient that makes the glue turn into that slimy like texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in all of the glue. It's about 5 ounces. I'm just gonna dump it all in there. If you are going to use glitter or beads or food coloring, now is the perfect time to go ahead and add it inside. Baking soda, I'm adding in about like a teaspoon. Consistency shouldn't change as much, but as you can see, it got a little bit thicker after the baking soda. And for the contact solution, I just add a little bit at a time, and I just keep mixing it until it's the consistency that I like. Slime like consistency now. This is still not the consistency I want it to be, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of contact solution, but make sure you don't add too much or your slime is going to get really hard and it's going to be tough to play with it. So I went ahead and took it out the cup and I just kind of mixed it in my hands. And it is the perfect consistency that I wanted. And that is it. That is all you need to make slime. I hope you guys had fun and make sure you guys stay safe. Thank you.